Are you tired of squinting at your TV like you're trying to read hieroglyphics? Or do you want a giant immersive experience for your home theater that will make all of your buddies jealous? Well, buckle up. Today we have a great answer for you. This is the TCL 98-inch Q65 QLED 4K Smart TV. I got it right finally. This is not your grandfather's old widescreen TV. We're talking QLED technology that is absolutely cutting edge. This is equipped with Dolby Vision, Atmos sound, so you're going to get an amazing immersive experience that will absolutely blow your mind. Add to it all those smart features that we all want now. I know that seems like that's enough to make your head spin, but it's in a giant 98-inch. Look at this. I am 6'2" tall. It is my entire wingspan, the entire wall of this room. And I can tell you, I've had 3 actual friends. 3 of them walked in and they looked at the wall and they're like, holy, that is unbelievable. If you want to have that experience, this is absolutely the most ridiculous right answer ever. This thing is absolutely awesome. But I will say it is not exactly 100% perfect because nothing's ever 100% perfect. The one thing that I've noticed about this, first off, I want to say the blacks are great. Right now we're here in a room which has a lot of light. I picked a time where it wasn't so bright in here, but even when it's bright in here, you could still clearly see this. The one thing that I have noticed from time to time, sometimes it like a little bit hunts between like dimming the screen a little bit and then going back to brightness. It's very rare. I am sure there's a setting that I got to get into the settings and figure it out and just kind of unwind it a little bit. But, you know, I want to be fair to you and tell you absolutely everything I've experienced. 99% of what I've experienced is absolutely mind-blowing. That one little, every once in a while, actually, I'll tell you for sure, my wife has never noticed it. I'm like, did you see that? She's like, see what? And I definitely have seen it where it's like, you know, the screen's like a little dim in a dark scene, and then all of a sudden it like brightens itself up. Very, very subtle that I've noticed very rarely. Anyway, absolutely get yourself one of these. You cannot possibly go wrong with it. In the description, there will be a link that will go to it. I will say, while we are not sponsors and we bought this ourselves, it definitely does help out the channel, and we do appreciate that. Remember to like and subscribe while you're there. Also, throw up a comment. What are you going to do with this? Somebody please put in the comment that you're going to build the sickest driver simulator ever. That would be so fun if you're going to do that. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.